Right now your project is bunch of Java files in Eclipse, but usually when you finish your application you want to create a runnable file so that somebody else can execute it. How do you do that? First, you must test run your application in Eclipse. This will create a run configuration which we'll use later. I have here two applications. One is a console application, simple hello world, and the other one is a GUI application. I'll show you the hello world and the GUI application. This application simply loads some customers from database and shows them. To create a runnable file, you must right click your project and choose export. Choose runnable jar file and click next. There you must choose your launch configuration, which is the same as run configuration created earlier. Type export destination jar file and choose what to do with libraries that your application use. I usually choose to copy libraries into a subfolder. Click finish. I'll do the same thing with the second project. Now we'll go to the output folder. Here you can run your application in two ways. If your application is a GUI application, you can click on the jar file and it will run. If it's a console application, you must open command line and type java minus jar and jar file name. It's hello world jar. By the way, what is a jar file anyway? It's an ordinary zip archive where are packages with class files. I'll show you. As you can see, it's ordinary zip archive, and here are packages with class files and meta-inf directory with manifest mf file. In this file is mainly defined application class path, which is pretty big one for this application that uses many libraries here. And a default main class to execute if you want to run this application. So if you run this application, this main file, which is defined in the manifest mf file, will run.